How do you set a variable to a random value? Well, there's lots of ways. If you want a random float value, which is a number between 0.0 and 1.0, set a variable equal to renpy.random.random and then parentheses there. And that's what it would display. Any random value you call up is going to be seeded for that playthrough, so if you go back and forward, it's still going to end up going to the same value. But if you restart, there we go, she's in a better position now. If you want a random integer between a range of numbers, use renpy.random.randint, and then in parentheses, the two numbers that will be your maximum and minimum. So in this case, the variable would be 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. And we got 3. If you want a random string of text from a list, set a variable equal to renpy.random.choice, and then in parentheses and in brackets, each of the strings in quotes separated by commas. So this will randomly set the variable to be either Kalamazoo, Gibraltar, or Des Moines. So here out of this list, Eileen teleported to Gibraltar. Finally, if you have a defined list like this, favorites equal my computer, my bed, the couch, the bathroom, and you want to have that list reorganized in a random order, you'd use renpy.random.shuffle and then parentheses the name of the list. So we started with my computer, my bed, the couch, the bathroom, and Eileen has ranked her bed, the bathroom, the computer, and the couch, and here with you. If you want to learn more about what you can do with variables, check out my screens tutorial right over here. I hope I answered your question, and thanks for watching.